Welcome back to Lots of Yum for You, where I, you, we all create some deliciousness. And no, you don't have to be a pirate to create this deliciousness. I'm just trying to get in the mood that we're about to have some salmon and it's going to be delicious. And you know what? Nobody has to walk the plank. What do you guys think about that? Right? And that's what I'm thinking. So we're going to not only not walk the plank, but we're going to get down to creating this salmon air fryer deliciousness. So I'll meet you at the deliciousness area. Okay, everyone, I'm back to create this deliciousness. Right here, I have a small piece of salmon. I'm going to cut it up in portions so that I can freeze some of it. Well, actually, I cut it up in portions. I kind of know how much I need to eat per meal. So there we go. I've cut it up into 1, 2, of course, 3. You guys know how to count. And there we go. So now that I have my salmon cut up, I'm going to show you how I do my spices and how I marinate this salmon before I throw it into the air fryer to make it delicious. Okay, I am back. I have my bowl here and I have some cocoa aminos I got from Trader Joe's. I like to throw in quite a bit of this, maybe about 4 tablespoons. Okay. I don't know, maybe 6. Okay, it won't hurt you. Garlic powder. Yes. Unsalted garlic powder. Yes. Mrs. Dash. Keep the sodium low. Gonna make this spicy. Have to open it first. Okay, so here we go with Mrs. Dash. I like my salmon spicy. I will put the full ingredients and then a little lemon pepper. There we go. Some lemon pepper. I like to mix this up real good. Real good. And then I'm gonna put my salmon in here. Here we go. There we go, folks. I like to put my salmon here skin side up because with it skin side up, this seasoning soak into the meaty part. There we go. And I'm gonna marinate this for about, I try to marinate this a few hours before I cook it. Yes, I do. And there we go. Just put some of that on the skin. It does soak into the meaty part, and there we go. And before I cook it, I like to throw in my oil, some type of oil. So I have all my seasonings. I'm gonna let this marinate, and then I'll be right back. I'll be back in right back. Hi everyone, we are back. My meat has been marinating for 2 hours, and I've been doing all kinds of other things, fun things. And so here I go. I'm gonna go ahead and I have, for me it's sesame oil today. I'm gonna go ahead and put some sesame oil in this. Make sure that my meat is all oiled up. Yes. And let me make sure I have that air fryer on. I like to have the air fryer on for at least 5 minutes to make sure it's nice and hot and ready. Okay. So the air fryer is on. And it's been on for 5 minutes. And my meat is ready. Everything is oiled up. So we're gonna go and pop this into the air fryer pan. All right, everyone, here we are. Instead of moving the air fryer, I brought the air fryer pan to me. I'm gonna go ahead and put my meat in here. Skin side, I meant skin side down. Skin side down, sorry about that. We're gonna put skin side down. Make sure you have some space between your pieces so that the air can flow through nice and evenly. There we go. And I'm gonna put this in at 400 degrees, start with 15 minutes. You can always put on a little bit of extra seasoning. Okay, now it's time to cook the deliciousness. All right, everyone, and welcome back. And I must say, after 15 minutes of air fryer cooking, I turned it over after 10. I did 15 minutes, 10 minutes skin side down, and then another 5 minutes skin side up. And this is our delicious air fryer salmon. Oh my gosh. Let me get my utensils. Let's see what's going on here. Look at that. Let's see, let's get it open. Look at that, nice and juicy. Look at that, it's delicious, people. Hot, nice and juicy, yummy. Yes, and this is how your salmon will cook in the air fryer. Look at that, yummy, steaming hot. And the colors, the flavors, yummy. All right, I'm ready to do the deliciousness test. This is healthy, it's delicious, it's amazing. I love my coconut aminos from Trader Joe's without all the salt, but it soaks in with good flavor. A lot of garlic powder, Mrs. Dash, and then some lemon pepper. Not over salted, just full of delicious flavors. All right, so I am ready, and I hope you're ready to try this deliciousness. Okay, everyone, I am back with this deliciousness. And the nice part about it is nobody had to walk the plank for this deliciousness. All we had to do was season it up, wait a couple hours, throw it in our air fryer, and make it awesome. And here we are. This is scary. This is amazing and delicious. Oh my gosh. All right, friends. I can't even talk. Mouthful of deliciousness. All right, friends. What I'm going to do is I'll put the information, ingredients in the description box so that you and your family can enjoy this deliciousness. And if you're by yourself, you can enjoy the deliciousness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, thanks for watching Lots of Yum for You, where you, me, we all create some deliciousness. Bye for now.